Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 2 Science Olympiad. And in class 2 Science Olympiad, which chapter we are going to read? We are going to start a new chapter, that is food. Okay? So we all like food, right? Yes. So are you all ready for it? So let's get started. Okay, so our first question, which one of the following food items is obtained from animals? Options are A. Honey, B. Meat, C. Cereals, D. Both A and B. So, which one of the following food items is obtained from animals? Yes, what will be the answer? Honey, yes, we get it from the animals. Meat also we get from animals, but cereals we get it from plants, right? So here the correct answer is option D, both A and B. Got it? Coming to the next question, milk is generally obtained from, three options are there, okay? And finally, all the above. So here question is asked, milk is generally obtained from, we get milk from cow, from goat and also from buffaloes, okay? So here the correct answer is option D, that is all the above. Coming to the next question, which one of the following is the source of honey? So here four options are there, okay? So do you know the answer? If you know the answer, you can write in the comment section, okay? So we do not get honey from this cock, honeybee. Yes, it helps us to get honey, not from this and not from the dog also. Okay. So here the correct answer is option B. So honeybee is the source of honey. So it helps in preparation of honey. Okay. Coming to the next question. Which one of the following is an oil producing plant? Options are A. Mustard, B. Coconut, C. Mango tree, D. Both A and B. So, as per the question, which one of the following is an oil producing plant? So, we use oil, right? So, from where we get the oil? Mustard, yes, from mustard we get the mustard oil. From coconut also we get the coconut oil. Mango, do we get oil from mango? No, we get only mango juice, right? Yes. So here the correct answer is option D, both A and B. Coming to the next question, which of the following is a plant product but we cannot eat it? Options are A. Orange, B. Cabbage, C. Rubber, D. Chili. So, which of the following is a plant product but we cannot eat it? So, orange, it is a plant product and we eat it, right? So, it is a fruit. Then cabbage is also a plant product. Okay, we eat as the vegetable, right? Yes. Rubber is also a plant product. Okay, but we cannot eat it. Coming to chili, yes, chili is also a plant product and we used to eat it. So, which is the correct answer here? Here, correct answer is option C. Coming to the next question, find the odd one out. Options are A. Oils, B. Vegetables, C. Egg, D. Fruits. So we have to find the odd one out. So when we will find which one is odd, what means we should think that on what basis we are going to separate it. Okay. So oils, it is obtained from plants. Vegetables, it is also obtained from plants. Egg, it is obtained from animals. Okay. Fruits is also obtained from plants. So here oils, vegetable, fruits are obtained from plants and egg, it is obtained from animals. So which one will be the odd one out? It will be option C, that is egg. Got it? Coming to the next question, which one of the following provides us eggs? Options are A. Hen, B. Cow, C. Both A and B, D. Cat. So, which one of the following provides us eggs? So, do you like egg? Yes? Okay, so from where we get egg? We get egg from hen. Yes? Yes. From cow? No, we don't get egg from cow. Both A and B? No. From cat? No, we do not get egg from cat. So we get eggs only from the hen. Not only from the hen, from other birds also. Among these options, correct answer is option A. Got it? Coming to the next question. Which one of the following is correct? Options are A. We should talk while eating. B. We should not eat uncovered food. C. We should not wash our hands before and after eating. D. All the above. So, we have to find out which one of the following is correct. So, first one, we should talk while eating. Should we talk? No, we should not talk while eating. Okay. Then, we should not eat uncovered food. Yes, it is correct. We should always eat the covered food. Why? Because the uncovered food, it might contain germs, dust. Okay, so if we take this uncovered food, then we will fall ill. Got it? Then we should not wash our hands before and after eating. This is also wrong. We should wash our hand because we need to clean our hand before eating. Okay, and after eating also we need to wash it. Then all the above? No. So which one of the following is correct? That is option B. Coming to the next question. Sugar cane is a, options are A. Root, B. Fruit, C. Flower, D. Stem. So sugar cane, it is a stem. Okay, have you seen the sugar cane? It is a stem. And from that we take out juice from the sugar cane. Got it? So correct answer is option D, that is stem. Coming to the next question. Food is important for us as options are A. It gives us energy. B. It protects us from diseases. C. It helps us to grow. D. All the above. So, food is important for us. Okay, food is always important for us. Why? It gives us energy. Yes, we get energy from food. It protects us from diseases. Yes, some protective foods are there like fruits and vegetables. They protect us from diseases. Then it helps us to grow. Yes, food helps us to grow. Fruit means different proteins are there. Okay, so it helps us to grow. All the above. So here the correct answer is all the above. That is the option D. Coming to the next question. Pulses are enriched with, options are A. Energy, B. Proteins, C. Oil, D. All the above. So here it is asked, pulses are enriched with what? Energy, proteins, oils and all the above. So pulses are enriched with proteins. Okay. So here the correct answer is option B, that is the proteins. Coming to the next question. Which of the following statements is correct? Statement 1. Food gives us energy. Statement 2. We should not cook food properly before eating. Options are A. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. B. Statement 2 is correct and statement 1 is incorrect. C. Both the statement 1 and 2 are correct. D. Both the statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. So, we have to find out which of the following statements is correct. So, statement 1, food gives us energy. Yes, we get energy from food. Then statement 2, we should not cook food properly before eating. It is wrong. So, we should cook food properly before eating. So, here statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Right? So, which one is the correct option? So, it is the option A. Got it? Coming to the next question. Food which is not fresh is known as dash. Options are A. Staple food, B. Stale food, C. Fresh food, D. Vegetables. So, food which is not fresh is known as the stale food. So, here the correct answer is option B. Okay. Coming to the next question. A light meal taken later in the evening is, options are A. Breakfast, B. Dinner, C. Lunch, D. Brunch. So, a light meal taken later in the evening is known as dinner. So, here the correct answer is option B, dinner. And what we take in the morning, that is breakfast, and what we take in the noon, that is our lunch. Okay. Yes. Coming to the next question. Maize, barley and oat are examples of dash. Options are A. Leaves, B. Seeds, C. Flowers, D. Roots. So, maize, barley and oat are example of seeds. Okay. So, here the correct answer is option B. Got it everyone? So, this was for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay. So, meet you soon. Bye-bye everyone.